Welcome to FBF Gallery, your trusted product review hub. Detailed product information and product links are provided in the video description box. Check out our 1.8 to 3.5 ton mini excavators with Kubota and Yanmar engines, designed for home, farm, and small construction projects. Compact, powerful, multifunctional, and customizable for your needs. Number 3. Hot sale in Europe and America. 1.8 ton mini excavator with Kubota engine. Description: explore the 1.8 ton mini excavator featuring a Kubota engine, EPA/Euro 5 certification, and customizable options. Ideal for agricultural, landscaping, and construction tasks. Product details. Engine: Kubota D722 diesel engine, 39 HP, EPA Tier 4F/Euro V compliant. Dimensions: operating weight of 1,800 kilograms, overall dimensions of 2,250 millimeters x 1,100 millimeters, W x 2,200 millimeters. Performance: maximum digging depth of 2,000 millimeters, digging radius of 3,227 millimeters, digging height of 2,900 millimeters. Hydraulics: advanced hydraulic system for efficient digging and lifting. Customization: available in various colors and configurations to suit specific needs. Applications: perfect for farming, landscaping, trenching, and small-scale construction projects. Number 2. Kubota Diesel 3.5 ton mini excavator. Description: explore the versatile Kubota Diesel mini excavator lineup. 3.5 ton, 2 ton, and 1.8 ton models. Ideal for household, farm, and trenching applications. Customizable and efficient. Product details. Engine options. 3.5 ton model, equipped with a Kubota D1503 MDI E4B engine delivering 24.8 HP at 2,200 revolutions per minute. Customization options. Attachments: compatible with a range of attachments including buckets, augers, and hydraulic thumbs. Cabin configurations: available in open and enclosed cabins, with options for heating and air conditioning. Track widths: adjustable track widths to suit different working environments and stability requirements. Applications: 3.5 ton model, suitable for heavy-duty tasks such as large-scale trenching, landscaping, and construction projects. 2 ton model, ideal for medium-duty tasks including farm work, utility installations, and site preparation. 1.8 ton model, perfect for light-duty tasks like gardening, small-scale trenching, and residential projects. Number 1. Mini Excavator 1.5 ton and 1.8 ton with Kubota engine. Description: discover versatile 1.5 ton and 1.8 ton mini excavators with reliable Kubota engines. Perfect for home, farm, and small-scale construction projects. Free shipping and customizable options available. Product details. Engine: powered by Kubota D722 diesel engine. Reliable, fuel-efficient, and durable for long-term use. Weight classes: available in 1.5 ton and 1.8 ton configurations for various small-scale tasks. Hydraulic system: advanced hydraulic system providing smooth digging, lifting, and multifunctional performance. Customization options: adjustable track widths, bucket attachments, and optional enclosed cabins for comfort and versatility. Applications: ideal for gardening, landscaping, trenching, small construction projects, and general farm use. Thanks for watching FBF Galleries. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more real product reviews. Hit the bell so you never miss an upload.